Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's breakfast time. It's actually like 9:44 and I want to show you guys how I like to do my fried eggs. So what we have here is simple stuff. We have a little bit of bacon. We have some eggs and a little bit of scallion, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. We're actually gonna be using the wok today. I'm actually gonna start preheating the wok. So we're just gonna use a regular vegetable oil.
Are you frying the bacon?
I am gonna fry the bacon. Yep, I'm gonna fry the bacon. While this is kind of preheating, I'm going to get this onion cut up. All right, so I'm just gonna peel this off. I'm actually gonna be going right down the middle. And then I'm just gonna cut it up nice and fine, because this is actually gonna go in the eggs. And when it fries up with the eggs, it's gonna be pretty nice. So oil is starting to smoke, which is really good. Let's go ahead and add the bacon in. So this is a really good firm center cut piece of bacon. Just got really one slice is technically what it is. So we're just gonna drop that in there. Whoop. So again, this is not meant to be a healthy dish, but this is gonna be something that I really like. I actually saw it on a YouTube episode and it is killer. So the reason why we're also outside today is because this does stink up the house pretty good. So if you don't have a good hood, which I don't, you gotta do this stuff outside. Okay, that's almost done. So that bacon flavor is actually gonna get the eggs quite nice. So right now, I'm gonna add my eggs in here. I'm gonna pop these in a little bowl. So we're just gonna put the eggs like that. We're gonna leave them whole because I want the yolk to be a little bit runny. I'm gonna check my bacon. It might have been burnt, but it's not. Perfect. So look at how nice and fried that gets. Almost done. I'm gonna get a couple of paper towels. About 3 of them. All right, so now the oil's really nice and hot. And this is gonna cook in like seconds, okay? So again, try to be careful, but here we go. So the eggs are cooking. What I like to do is really just take the fat. Now it's cooking the whites. This is so fun to do. And it's actually delicious. I even throw a little bit also on there too. More green onions, the better. Doesn't it look great? It's pretty awesome. Wife's shaking her head like, no, that doesn't look good. Telling ya, this is pretty good. Okay. So I just turned the heat off. I'm gonna lay that right down like that. So I like to do just that because it has been obviously frying in oil. All right, guys. So this right here, we're gonna lay down. We're gonna top it with a little bit more green onion. It hasn't been seasoned, so I'm gonna put just a dash of salt. Egg yolk is nice and runny, which is what you want. That right there. Delicious. Crispy bits on the end. The egg edges are all like fall apart, tender. And then nice little piece of sourdough toast. That's so good. Bacon's perfect. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna need some thumbs up here because we're trying to kill it. I think I like this little way of filming. You guys give me a comment. Let me know if I should do it that way. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want to comment, thumbs up it. I get all that. See you on the next episode. Ooh. It's delicious. That's like crack right there. Mm-hmm.